Discover the weight loss benefits of spirulina powder. This superfood boosts your metabolism by enhancing enzyme production that aids in fat breakdown, helping you shed those extra pounds. Spirulina is also rich in nutrients and fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and helping you control your appetite and calorie intake. Its unique combination of iron, B vitamins, and antioxidants provides an energy boost, keeping you motivated and active during your weight loss journey. Incorporating spirulina powder into your daily routine is easy. Just add a teaspoon to your favorite smoothies for an extra nutritional kick. Start your weight loss journey with spirulina today.